Alright, here we go. Let's color coordinate here. Like terms, I've got a positive 3y, a negative 2y, and a positive y. I've got a positive x and a positive x. Again, remember, like terms are terms that have the same variable and the same exponent. When there's no exponent, the exponent is understood to be 1. So this is x to the first power, x to the first power, y to the first power, 3y to the first power, and 2y to the first power. So let's combine the x's first. Okay, are we going to add or subtract? We should have said add. Why? Because the signs are the same. You see that? So we're going to add. What's x plus x? Well, that leaves me 2x. And since both the signs are positive, I know my answer is positive. Let me cancel that out. Won't get confused later. Okay, now I've got a positive y and a positive y. Am I going to add or subtract these? I'm going to add them because the signs are the same. So y plus 3y is 4y, right? And since they're both positive, I know it's a positive 4y. But wait, I still got another y. So I've got a positive 4y and a negative 2y. Here, let me put it up here so we won't forget. 4y, positive. So we've got a positive 4y. We already combined these two, so let's cancel them out. We've got a positive 4y and a negative 2y. Are the signs the same or different? They're different, right? So we're going to subtract. 4y minus 2y is 2y, and since the bigger number has the positive sign, I'm going to make my answer positive. Positive 2y. Okay? And then, so we've already done these, so we cancel them out. And now all we have left is a 280, and since there's nothing in front of it, we know it's a positive 280. And again, notice it's in alphabetical order. X, Y, and if we had a Z, the Z would go here, and then the 280 would go last. Okay. Let's do some color coordinating again. We got a cubed. Are there any other a cubes? Yes, there are right here. Okay. I've got negative 2b cubed right here, negative 2b cubed, and any b cubes? Yep, right here. Okay, and then I'm not even going to color the last one because it's all by itself. And so let's combine the a's first. A cubed and 4a cubed, since they're both positive, remember no sign means positive, so they're both positive, so that's going to be 5a cubed. Right? So I'm going to cancel, so I won't get confused. I already did those, so cross them out. Here I've got a negative 2b cubed and a negative 2b cubed, correct? So the signs are the same, so what am I going to do? When the signs are the same, I add. So I'm going to add 2b cubed and 2b cubed, that's 4b cubed, or 4b to the third power. And since both the signs are negative, I know my answer is going to be negative 4b to the third power. And then I cross them out so I won't get confused with that later. And then I just bring this down. Positive 3a squared b squared. Now, something should not look right to you. Okay? And what should not look right to you is the order, because an a comes before a b. So the a should be before this b. So I'm going to put 5a cubed plus 3a squared b squared. And then finally at the end, we're going to put the 4b cubed. Now, if there would have been a number, a whole number, we would have put it here. But since there isn't, the last number is going to be b cubed. Okay. Let's see. I hope you're getting the hang of this. We've got y squared, positive y squared, right? Those are like terms. And that's it. There's no more like terms. X squared, there's no x squares, and xy, there's no xy. So we're just going to combine these two. Since the signs are the same, again, remember that if there's no sign, it's positive. They're both positive. We're going to add 2y squared plus y squared equals 3y squared. Right? And x squared, we can't add x squared with anything. I know it's going to go first, so I'm going to put it here in the beginning, because x comes before y, and then the xy goes in between, right? Xy goes in between them because it's x squared, then in alphabetical order, then we would have xy, and then we would have y squared. And that's it for this page.